When is the best time to increase or decrease bids in Amazon PPC? The best time to increase or decrease bids in Amazon PPC is going to depend on seasonality, highly likely on what your product is, and highly likely on when would someone buy this product. If it's a seasonal product, probably no matter how high are you bidding, they're not going to be interested in buying it. When are they going to buy the product? Is it an urgency related product? So someone wants to buy that right away, or is it a wishful, decor items? Those products, someone can be adding it, we're just going to move soon. I'm looking at everything that is furniture and so on. I literally am clicking within the ad because that's how I'm finding the product. I'm clicking within the ad and then I'm saving it for later, and that way I can return to it. Technically, even if I convert as a customer, you would have a false positive just because I clicked today on it, but I'm going to buy it in 2 months. And I might be buying it at 9:00 p.m., but I clicked today at 2:00 p.m. So that's why I'm saying it really depends on that.